What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael 5. Welcome back to another video. And today we are continuing our Cooking Fever series. Welcome back to the channel if you've been here. If you're new here, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Also, share it with your friends if you want to. And yeah. So, I'm gonna just make this a whole entire series, to be honest. Because, like, y'all enjoy this. Well, I won't say y'all enjoy it, but, like, from the support that I've seen off of my videos, it seems like y'all enjoy them. So, we're just gonna keep on doing this. Yeah, I hope your days are going wonderful. Over here by me, it's very hot. It's like 95, I think, outside right now. It is crazy. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even really know what to say. Yeah. So, hope y'all had a good day, wonderful day at school or work. But yeah. So, yeah. So we're just going to do a few levels today, just our casual that we do, like 3 levels. Right, we passed. We earned an accomplishment. Dang. 1400. What should we spend it on? That. But let's do that. I'm gonna turn my phone on Do Not Disturb real quick. Where do I find that? I don't even know right now. Alright, y'all might see some stuff. My apologies. But yeah, we're just gonna do one more level after this, and we're gonna wrap it up. Alright. So, what else is there to talk about? Hope you are looking up for the weekend coming up soon. I know today's Tuesday, but tomorrow's gonna be Wednesday, then it's Thursday, then it's Friday. So after tomorrow, your days will be going by fast. Hopefully. Well, at least for me they do, but I don't know about y'all. Maybe your days work differently. I do not know any of that. But I will keep on cooking here up in my kitchen. Yeah, I said it. I'm gonna keep on cooking in my kitchen. This is my kitchen now. Alright. Right here. Alright. I don't know, there might not be that much commentary, alright? Like, here's the thing. I know how to talk to y'all and all that stuff. It's just that after a little bit, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to talk about. So, I guess it is what it is. But let's just keep on upgrading and cooking and all that, and we'll get that done. I don't have enough for that. Let's just get some food warmers. And this is gonna be our last level. Alright, let's go. Well, actually, never mind. I'm gonna end it off here. Because I got paranoid last time. I'm paranoid of my storage going out. Alright. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Share if you don't like me, share me to your friends. Maybe they might like me. But yeah, I'll catch y'all guys in the next one. Love y'all.